You see the graphic at the bottom of the screen, and it tells the whole picture. Miami's 29% on the year on third down conversion rates, which is good for 125th out of 130 FBS schools in the country. You see Brevin Jordan highlighted at the bottom of the screen in a bunch set. This is 11 set personnel. So let's go under the hood and find out why this play also misfires on third down. Pay attention to this walk-up linebacker right here by Pitt. He's essentially going to go ahead and change gaps. And when he does, he's essentially going ahead and shuffling the communication rules that were previously employed. Ja'Kai Clark is going to go ahead and lose a little leverage inside. And Cam Harris astutely has his eyes inside because that's where the immediate threats are going to go ahead and affect the quarterback. Doesn't necessarily matter because the stunt is going to go ahead and he's going to meet it. But you see this Pitt defender having essentially a beat right at N'Kosi Perry. Now, at the same time, I want to focus right here. If this was to be a mesh concept, I don't like the way that we're running this. Simply for the fact, if one of your receivers is setting the depth, the other receiver should aim at that back hip. When that doesn't happen, if Brevin comes this way or Wiggins essentially tags with his hip, you're going to rub this DB out. When that doesn't happen, he's essentially right on the back hip. N'Kosi Perry is falling further away from the line of scrimmage. Maybe if he's wide open, this could be an easier throw. Stand in the pocket. It's going to be bang, bang. That's close, but you're falling away further from the pocket. You throw this ball ill-advised. This is left high, and you have to punt. So a little gamesmanship by Pitt to go ahead and just jump different protection looks by shifting their linebacker, and the fact that maybe rubbing wasn't racing on that mesh concept led to the fact that you needed to punt.